paper.
Pangatlong serve niya na yung cereal, guys. Coco Pops. While watching. She's going to daycare today. And the hairstyle today. Ito yung mga ponytail na nabili ko kay Ate Cathy. Sells AU. Ayan. Gusto niya na nilalagyan ko siya ng ganito. Kahapon yung purple. Ngayon kasi naka-pink siya. Ito yung binili ko kahapon, o, diba? Suot agad. Ito yung binili ko kahapon. Gusto niya talagang ay, nako na lang. Ewan ko na lang. Kasi pinupuri siya sa school. Oh, your dress looks so good. Ganun eh. Gustong-gusto din naman niya. Kaya ayaw niya ng normal clothes. Gusto niya naka-dress lagi. Good morning, people! Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Wednesday. Sabi ko di ako mag-vlog, pero vlog tayo, guys. Happy Valentine's to all of you. Today's Valentine's Day, 2024. Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon, guys.
Mommy, can I see something here? I can't see.
What do you want to see?
It's not letting me see.
Later, come on, finish your food because we need to go.
It's not letting me.
Huh?
It's not letting me see Angela's picture.
You want to see Angelo's picture? Here you go, it's Angelo. Oh, is it better? Is it better?
It's not letting me.
Huh?
It's not letting me. Is it here?
Oh, you want Angelo's... Daddy have to put it up there with the comb. Gusto niya. Nakalagay yung picture frame. Gusto niya makita si Angelo. Lagi niyang sinasabi na ngayon na Angelo's dead. Pero yung sinasabi niya, Angelo's die. Dapat Angelo's dead. Ganun siya. Sabi ko, oo, hindi na natin makikita si Angelo. So, I think na, niya na, napaprocess niya na or medyo naiintindihan. So, ayan. Nilagay ko kasi yung isang picture frame ni Angelo dun sa taas. Nilagay ko kagabi. And, nakita niya nung nagising siya nagising siya kanina. And, katabi niya yung picture. So, ayan. Oh, tinitingnan niya. What happened, baby? Huh? Why are you looking at Angelo?
And I want Angela back here.
Oh, I want Angelo back.
Oh, different.
You like your hair?
Yeah, I want to do like this only.
Okay. You don't want Elsa hair anymore?
No, I want this one.
You want that one? Okay. So pretty. Okay, finish na kasi you're gonna be late. What time na ba? 10:50 na. Hindi naman siya late, pero late siya for lunch. Ha?
Wait.
No. Akong is with Papa God. She's going to daycare and I'm going to arrange the fridge later. And i-ano ko din yung flowers. I-segregate ko in 3. Kasi bibigyan natin si Mama, my sister-in-law, and my sister. So, madami kasi siya, diba? Yung binili ko kahapon na flowers. So, nilagay ko muna siya sa vase. And mamaya, segregate natin. And when I pick up Mia, we will drop it off sa bahay ng parents ko. So, later na natin yan ibigay sa kanila. Kasi I forgot to buy chocolates. Punta tayo ng Kohl's before natin i-pick up si Mia. So, yun. Let's go now. Finish? Let's go. We're going. Oh, pink, huh? Oh, pink ka today? Look at you, oh, pink. Go. Alright guys, we dropped Mia off already sa school. Okay naman siya. Pag lumalapit yung educator sa kanya tapos binibigyan siya ng cuddle, parang she feels safe and okay siya. Pero pag walang lumalapit sa kanya, hindi niya ako nile-let go. Every time na i-drop ko siya, like kinakadol ko muna siya. Tapos binibigay ko siya sa educator para, ayun, para okay siya. Kasi pag walang activity, sa time na dinap ko siya, hindi siya nalilibang. Pero pag may activity, okay na okay siya. Siya pa yung magsasabi, bye, mommy! Ito yung kakainan ko. Wala pang lunch. Mamaya na ako mag-lunch. So, I'll have choc muffin. Kasi dalawa to guys, yung binili ko. Dalawang box. And 2 for 8 kasi siya. 2 for $8. And ang dami sa isang box eh. 9 na muffin sa isang box. Hindi ko alam kung may work si mama ngayon. Tawagan nga natin. Gusto din ni V bisitahin yung hospital today. And sana pwede kami magbumisita. Miss ko na si Angelo. Gusto ko to gamitin ngayon. Ma! Are you home?
Wait, obra ka.
May work ka mo ya. Okay. Wala, I'm just asking. Sige na, bye-bye. Bye. May work sila, guys. Ay, gusto ko to gamitin kasi straw siya kaysa dun sa parang fuchsia ko na water bottle. So, this straw siya and malaki pa siya. Ano tawag dito? Inspired to siya ng anong water bottle yun, guys? Nakalimutan ko naman yung brand. Sorry, kakapanganak ko lang. What brand was it? Basta yun, yung inspired lang siya. And I got this from Temu. So, hindi ko na alam magkano yung bili ko nito. Pero ang dami nito sa Kmart kahapon. Sabi ko, gusto ko sana bilhan si V. Kaya lang meron na din naman siyang insulated na water bottle. And gustong-gusto niya yun for his coffee. Sabi ko, wag na lang. Maganda siya. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilang oras nag-stay yung cold. Pero kagabi nilagyan ko siya before ako matulog. Nilagyan ko siya ng ice and cold water. Hanggang ngayon, lamig na lamig pa din. Pero wala na siyang ice. Super lamig pa din niya. So, I think yung sa Kmart, pwede na din yun. Sa sobrang init, diba? So, after nito, mag-edit muna tayo, guys. Mamaya ko na i-arrange yung fridge. Tawagan ko pala yung hospital. If pwede tayo mag-visit kay Angelo. Since Valentine's din naman today. Kahapon sana kasi 1 week niya. Pero wala nang sumasagot ng call. Laging nakaano sa voicemail. Straight siya sa voicemail kasi close na ata yung office nila. 8 to 3 lang daw yung 8 to 3:30 yung kanilang office hours. Tinawagan ko din naman yung after hours. Wala din, diretso sa voicemail. Sabi ko, wag na lang. Oh, hi. I'm not sure if I'm using the right number. I was discharged last week. I gave birth. It was a stillborn.
Oh, yes, you're in the right place there.
Okay. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm just wondering if we are able to visit today or
What was your surname? What's
Lee?
your first name?
Mary Lee?
Mary Lee?
Yeah.
Mary Lee. Oh, yes. And Y is your surname?
That's
yes.
right.
Okay. All right. Yes, we have no one booked in today, so we can certainly accommodate you.
Okay.
Just let you know that little one, Angelo, is that right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah, he went for his examination,
Okay.
and his brain has been retained
Okay.
for a couple of weeks. So when you see him, he's we'll put a beanie on and things,
Okay.
but he should look okay. I think, just so you're aware that the brain is still at PCH lab.
Yeah.
What time were you thinking of coming in today?
Are we able to go at night or I'm not
Oh
sure.
no, we
No?
close at 3:30.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
unfortunately.
Is that okay if I can call you back? I'll just need to confirm with my husband.
Yeah, absolutely,
This
sure.
is at work.
Now,
Okay.
if you can't make today,
Mm-hmm.
tomorrow we can do probably morning
Okay.
or an afternoon. We've got someone in at 11, 11 to 12.
Okay.
But, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just
Okay.
let him know now, and yeah, I'll give you a call again.
Okay,
Thank you.
not a problem. Okay,
Thanks.
see you.
Bye. Honey,
Yeah.
I just called the hospital and they said they close at 3. So what do you
3
wanna?
o'clock?
Yeah, what do you wanna do?
I can't leave work early today.
Yes, she said if we can't make it today, we can do it tomorrow morning or
What time?
afternoon. They have,
What time tomorrow?
well, they have someone coming at 11, so we can't go at that time. It's either before that time or after that time. That's okay. Maybe we can do. I'm not sure if they do weekends. I forgot to ask. They said they said the brain already in the lab, and yeah, but he said it's okay to visit. But yeah, they're just gonna put beanie on or something.
It's already done or not?
Not yet. Still in the lab.
Okay, just call them back when I work here.
Okay.
Okay, no worries.
Okay. Bye. Daddy cannot do today. They can't do at night because yeah, they close at 3:30, sabi niya. 3:30 or 3 ba yun narinig ko. But yeah, wala si Angelo. So yun, nasa lab na daw yung ano niya for examination, yung brain. But yeah, of course, they will close the head, diba? They will put a beanie para hindi naman maalata. Yeah, still our baby. I miss my baby again. Ano ba yan? Kakaloka. Alright guys, ako'y nagbabalik. Oh my gosh, kakatapos ko lang mag-edit. Nag-upload na siya. In-edit ko yung birth vlog ko. Nakakainis. Hanggang hindi ko siya natatapos. Bumabalik sa akin yung mga nangyari. But yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna do the flower. Dito lang siya. Okay pa naman yung look niya. It's still, yan. Diba? Wow. I'm pretty. So, I'm just gonna separate it. Medyo madami siya, diba? So, isi-separate ko siya, guys. Nakatipid tayo. Nakatipid. So, i-ano natin. Try natin mag-arrange ng fridge. Ayun yung itsura niya ngayon. Ito lang naman yung gagamitin nating organizer, guys. Yung drawer. So, magtitisan lang naman ito. Kailangan lang natin tanggalin yung kanyang sticker here. Ito kasi gusto ko siyang paglalagyan. Kailangan ko ba ito i-wash? Ito nga kailangan ko ito i-wash. Okay, i-wash muna natin siya. So, kailangan ko siya ilagay somewhere here. Tapos muna natin yung mga hindi mo sila nagagamit to. What are we gonna do? Put it there na lang. Kasi ang dami natin maliliit na ano lang dyan. Nakastay. Gosh, that is there. Dito pa yung mga ano niya. Wait. Kailangan ko ito ubusin. Straw. Wala nang straw. Inubos niya na. Hugasan ko muna to. And then we put it there. So, we have this washed already. Hindi ko alam saan ko siya ilalagay. Dito. Ayan. Makikita natin yung fruits. Diba? We can put, what should we put there? So, we can put kalamansi na there. Like, ay, ano ba to? Yeah, I can put this there. We have kalamansi. Ba't hindi siya kasha? Okay din naman. Kasha pala siya. We have to clean this then. Ano yung okay. Okay. The bread there, or bread here. Diba? And then that is drink. Oh, this one. Where did I put this? Hindi siya pa ito dito. Hindi siya pa siya. Actually, we can put that one here na lang instead. So, this is the other drawer. May ganyan siya, guys, sa loob. Ayan. So, maganda lagyan ng maliliit na kung anek-anek. Like, kalamansi. So, dyan ko siya ilalagay. Pwede ko naman siguro ito, pag dito ko siya ilagay, pwede ko ito remove sa glad wrap. Diba? Kasi minsan yung kalamansi nagda-dry pag hindi siya nakabalot. So, I think this one would be perfect storage for the kalamansi. Lagay ko lang siya dito. Okay, I think that's it. Malinis na ang ating fridge. That's what it looks like. Nakita niyo ba, guys? Dito natin siya nalalagay. Okay, so yung itsura ng fridge natin. Ito ano siya, leftovers. So, nilagay ko yung mga fruits dyan. Pag ganito na yung lagay ko, ang dami kong mangga, diba? And then, leftover from last night. We have this, which is good. And we have empty. I need to clean that area. And after that, no more. And ito yung mga cheeses natin. Yung iba expired na siguro, guys. Ito expired na ito. Linisin ko niyan. And then, ito yung mga drinks. And egg. Ito yung leftover ko na donut. Dito lang siya nilagay. And then drinks. So, yeah. Linisin ko to kasi ang dami nang expired dito for sure. Let's pick up Mia, guys. And then we're gonna go to my parents' house. I-drop natin yung flowers for them. Wala pa daw sila sa bahay. So, bigay ko na lang sa kapatid ko kasi nandun naman yung kapatid ko. 5:09. Nag-ready na ako ng dinner. Maamoy pa din yung aking kamay. Naghiwa tayo ng bawang sibuyas na. Amoy ko pa din siya. Kahit nag-wash na ako ng hands. After daycare, gutom na gutom talaga siya. Kumain naman siya ng afternoon tea. Pero palagi siyang gutom. We're here. Let's go. Mia's there. Mia is back.
No, on the back.
Gym's antennas and security. Pero pala gym ganun. Alright, let's go to Mamila's house. Di ko alam kung nasa bahay na sila, but we'll just drop the flowers. Tumawag kasi ako sa kapatid ko. Sabi niya wala pa si na mama. We go to Mamila's house, okay? We're gonna give them flowers because it's Valentine's. Yeah? Hindi ako nakabili ng chocolate. Okay na yun, guys. Flowers na lang. Oops.
This is so fun.
It's so fun. Oh my gosh, ang batang yan. Ang
My
daming...
sweet tail, look.
Ha?
My sweet tail.
I know, ang dami niyang sand, guys. Oh my gosh, yung mukha niya, ang dami-daming sand. Kailangan niya maligo agad-agad pagdating sa bahay. Otherwise, yung mga sand, saan na yan saan napupunta? Sa paa niya, sa legs, dito sa mukha. Ang dami-dami. Kasi pag nagsa-sunscreen sila, tumidikit yung sand sa face, sa skin. Diba? Kasi sticky. So, yun yung laging problem. May sandpit kasi dun. So, laging may dalang sand sa bahay. Paubos na yung sand nyo dun sa sandpit. When I was working din in daycare, my gosh guys, yung sand namin, kaka-top up lang. Ilang buwan lang. Ano na naman, super deep na naman. Kasi laging bit-bit ng mga bata. May kasamang sand. Ang shoes, yung mga, syempre, skin nila. Ay, nako. That's funny though.
Oh, my dear.
Cheers! Show mommy your flower. Whoa. Can I take picture of you?
It's a pretty. It's a pretty.
Give me the pretty in the kitchen.
It's a pretty.
Don't shout, people will hear you. Ang ganda din sa ulo niya, oh. Very good ka talaga. Pero pag yung mga clip, nawawala. Uy, ang init. Tita Pretty!
It's pretty.
Oh, ayun na. Give it to Tita Pretty. Give it to Tita Pretty. Yes!
Look, this is for you. It's for you. It's a pretty.
Thank you. Ano ko bakal henda eh.
Say happy
You
birthday!
lots of
Kaya ko
flowers.
bagang pakapag-shower po bakal po sino.
I bought it yesterday.
Ay, yesterday. Ano naman?
Mommy, I have the same sleepers.
Baby.
Yeah, we have the
Thank you,
same.
Mia.
Say happy Valentine's, Tita Pretty!
Thank you, Mia. Wow. Thank you.
Wala pa din, Mama.
My papa twist.
Okay, wala pa sila. No, let's go na. We can't, you have a lot of sand. We can't go inside. Yeah, come on.
Wait, Mia. Thank you. Hug Tita Pretty.
Hug Tita Pretty. Say happy Valentine's. Say happy
Kiss,
Valentine's.
Hug. Okay,
Mom, I have a
bye-bye.
tip for $2
They're still at work, baby.
Yeah.
No, the flower.
The
Yeah,
flowers.
I'll give it to them
Well,
later.
Tita
I
Pretty
know
will
them
give.
will-
Can I see?
Huh?
Can I
Then give it to Tita Pretty already.
Yeah. I'm gonna give it to them. I'll tell them Mia gave it to them. Okay?
Yeah? Okay, let's go. Oh, yun. Tapos na siya maligo, guys. My gosh, ang daming sand niya. Sige. Pajama na yan. Ready na siya. Luto na tayo, guys. So, magluluto ako ng pork na may sabaw, na may kangkong, and ito ay adobo ko yung mussels. Luto na to siya actually, kasi frozen yan. Okay, dalawa-dalawa ang ating, oh my goodness. Daddy's home!
Mommy, I'm looking for you. It's another flower for you.
What is it? Oh my God!
Mia! Happy Valentine's, Mia!
Thank you, Tita Jan Jan! Oh, Mia got one too! That's so nice! Oh, thank you,
Hey,
Noy!
balloon!
Wow! I've got flowers from Daddy! It's a miracle!
Balloon?
Wow! what?
Oh, did you print the...
Yeah, I left it in Wangara. I didn't work in Wangara this week. Working out. I'll try and bring one a week.
Okay, bye-bye. Mia, bye-bye, Mia.
That's right. Tito Chanja.
Bye!
You didn't say thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Kiss dito na, kiss! Thank you. Ay, kiss dito, dito. Go, kiss! Kiss dito nga! I want to eat. You're so silly. Mia's so
Oh,
silly.
kiss and hug. Tito Chanja. Quick.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, babe.
See you, Nai. Yeah.
Go down. Ay, sorry.
This is from Manoy and ng Pearl for sure. And Daddy got us flowers. Ang dami. Ano tong flower na to, Han? Why they have the... It's in the net. Yan, may mga rose tayo dyan. I don't know what flower is this. Chrysanthemum? Is it chrysanthemum? I don't know. We put it in our vase. Ha? Luto na siya, guys. Adobong masos, adobong tahong. Ano, ito yung soup natin. It's not ready yet. Tender ko lang yung pork. And then, lagyan natin kangkong. Gusto niya ipa-remove yun. Is that helium? See, it's not
No,
helium.
but she wanna hold it like that.
You're
There.
silly. See, it's
And
not.
this stick
It's
is
not
for me
flying.
to bum bum, right?
It's not flying, Mia, because it's not helium. She thought it's helium. Silly girl. Mia's got Teddy. Where's your Teddy? Ha? Doon na yung Teddy niya. Nagdo-drawing na siya dito kanina. Mia, your iPad's low bat. Tingnan niyo. You can actually erase this, Mia. Oh, ha? Tito Jan give you that, ha? Wow! Ay, naku. You just ruined it, baby. Oh, that's our flower. That's our flower. Ito yung pinigay ni Tita Luis niya. Ninang Luis niya. Wow, that's so pretty. I love it. Ay, nako. Nasira na yung pa-flower. Kanina pa siya dyan naglalabot.
I don't know. Mommy wants it.
Got a pork there.
Where pork? Camera lights pork.
I have a sauce from you. Ano? You want it? Why is it so good? Who's the winner? Mia's the winner, Daddy!
I finished. I finished a winner.
Yeah,
No,
Daddy, you have
no
to
more.
finish it.
Where?
Mia's the winner,
It's the
Daddy.
soup? Okay.
Mia done.
No more. Daddy finished.
Who's the winner?
Daddy's the winner.
Yeah, Mia's the winner and Daddy's the
High five.
second. Good job. Good job, guys. Ubus na, guys. Ito na lang. Meron pa dun. Ito yung soup natin. Ito yung from last night na soup. Ano, ubus na. Wala nang
I
laman.
can't wait. Daddy gonna pick up the rice. You dropped so many, baby.
Oh no, Mia made a mess.
Mommy, this sun have eyes and a mouth.
Really? That's so cute. I love your drawing. What is this?
No, this one.
Who's this?
Mommy. This one is Baby Angela. Mommy, this is a grass. And this is
It's
a
a
big...
grass.
Mommy, this is a big back house.
Big house.
And this one is a big straight line.
Straight line. Wow. But why is your name the other way? Should be... Why is it baliktad? Why baliktad should be M-I-A? Why is it M-I-A like that? Can you write it again? From here, M. I, A. Not that way. Baliktad, ikaw. Do it again. Let's go upstairs. Let me see.
Mama, gonna bite.
Is it so hard? Yeah, just wait. It's gonna soften. Just wait. Kinakain niya yung frozen grapes. Gusto niya yung frozen grapes. Ayan. Gusto ko din tong frozen grapes kaysa sa yung sa soft. So, freeze ko siya. And, ayun. Natikman niya. And gusto niya. What? Hold it. I'm gonna have some. I'm gonna have one, okay? Can I have one? Thank you.
Me too.
It's okay. I don't want...
People.
Oh, people too. I'm thinking it's gonna be wet, Dylan. You're giving it to people. Nagka-crayon siya. Ako, kailangan ko mag-shower. Ito, naka-shower na kasi. Yeah. Just do coloring. And then, mommy will come back and color with you.
Mama.
Okay?
Mama.
Ka-color siya. Sige, color ka lang dyan. Tingnan yung mga toys niya. Oh. Dami, diba?
It's gonna be Elsa soon.
Ginawa
Mommy,
mo
I
ng toy
want
room
this
tong
Elsa.
kwarto natin. Ha?
I want Elsa.
Gift yan sa kanya ni Ninang Luis. Kasama nung Play-Doh.
Waiting.
So yan, nag-crayon lang siya dyan. Look at you doing the crayon. That's so pretty.
Yes.
Ako yung nag-color ng side na yan. Kasi gusto niya ako mag-color.
Make it to rainbow.
Okay, I'll come back. I'll go shower first, yeah?
Mom, look at Rosie.
Yeah.
Mommy, Rosie don't want a haircut.
Oh, Rosie don't want a haircut. Oh no, she's got a really long hair, baby.
Dad, she fall down.
Yeah. That's what happened if you don't listen. No.
I cut hair.
You cut your hair. Yeah,
Yeah,
you did it by yourself too. Look at your bangs.
And the lady did it.
And the lady did it.
The puppet.
Only adults can cut hair, no? Mia's not allowed to cut her own hair. No? Because it's dangerous. Diba?
I want to do it myself because you like the good and copying it. Because I have open my eye and see what I'm doing.
Ano daw? Do you wanna cut your hair? You wanna cut your hair, you said? Silly girl. Sige, crayon ka lang dyan. Okay, mommy, go shower. I'll come back, okay?
Not yet.
Not yet. Kakatulog niya lang, guys. 10 na. Bongga talaga tong nails ko. Bongga yung pagka-glitters. Diba? Pero pag walang flash, hindi naman ganito yung glitters. Ngayon ko lang na-notice. But yeah, kakatulog niya lang. 10 na siya natulog, diba? Kasi ang dami pang ganap sa bed. Ang dami niya pang pinapagawa kay mami. Nag-read pa kami ng story. Ay, nako. Ano-ano pang pinagagawa. Good night, my love.